In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your transactions in QuickBooks and understand one crucial aspect. While QuickBooks is an excellent tool for recording transactions, it's important to note that it doesn't transfer funds. Instead, you need to use your bank or a payment processor for moving those funds. Let's start by exploring why QuickBooks is incredibly useful in handling your business's financial information. QuickBooks serves as your comprehensive accounting software, where you can keep track of invoices, expenses, payroll, and much more. It's designed to help you get a detailed picture of your financial health through easy-to-understand reports and real-time data analysis. However, it's essential to bear in mind that QuickBooks acts primarily as an accounting management tool and not a bank. Its primary job is to record the transactions that you input into it. Now, although you can't physically transfer money within QuickBooks itself, what you can do is maintain accurate records of both incoming and outgoing funds. This is where your bank or a payment processor comes in handy. These external platforms handle the actual transfer of money. For example, when you invoice a client through QuickBooks and they make a payment, that payment is processed via your bank or payment processor, which means the actual money movement is separate from the transaction record in QuickBooks. When you're ready to transfer funds, start by logging into your bank account or payment processor. This could be through a website or a mobile app, depending on what service you're using. From there, you'll want to initiate a transfer from one account to another. For instance, moving money from your business savings account to your checking account is something that you would handle through these platforms. After completing the process, your next task is to update those transactions in QuickBooks to ensure your records remain accurate and complete. This involves entering the details of the transfer into QuickBooks, such as the amount and the accounts involved. Keeping these records updated not only helps you maintain transparency, but also makes it easier to reconcile your accounts at the end of each month. To summarize, remember that QuickBooks is your tool for tracking and recording financial data, while the actual money movement is facilitated by your bank or payment processor. Keeping these two components in mind allows you to manage your financial transactions more effectively. If you incorporate this process into your routine, you'll find maintaining accurate financial records becomes much simpler and more efficient. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the intricacies of using QuickBooks alongside your financial institutions. Look forward to our next session where we'll dive even deeper into maximizing your accounting software's capability. Have a great day.